So in this video, I exactly share with you how to make money. All of thing I shared, like how to be productive, how to stay uncomfortable, all of thing that human behavior, how to work, how to stay productive, all sort of thing. So I never talk about, maybe I talk about a little bit about that, but today's is part of that financial thing, how to make money. I mean, how to take money from people. So you need to first of all, you need to have any skill. That skill solve other people's problem. It's either digitally or physically, offline or online, both of you can do. So whatever you love, you like, online income or offline income, you can. First of all, you need to understand, you need to provide value to someone. Like I'm curating video, I'm provide value totally free. But when I getting monetized on YouTube, youtube provide me youtube provide me money for them, because of you are watching my video. And I just today I just share with you, today just I want to share with you about YouTube. That's all people can able to do. So you need to provide value. So it's either any product or your service that you have skill about that. So like you have this pen, you can sell this pen. Those are want to write, so you sell this pen like 5 cent, and you got that. And those are buy this pen, they 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 are can able to do this pen writing, and they got value. Both of is successful here, not cheating here. So you need to first of all, not easy, just can, but you it's have freedom. You can curate, like I'm just holding my phone on my hand, and I'm curating video. I'm not buying. I'm curating video, produce, and I'm doing produce. And I'm this video is my product. This video I will publish on my YouTube marketplace. YouTube is my marketplace. I publish my product on YouTube marketplace, and my audience, my customer are you watching my video. So all sort of thing, because of YouTube can do all of people around the world. And you don't need to produce pen. You If you need to produce pen, you need a lot of employee first of all. So, and when you create video, you just need you. And when you creating quality video, you just hire people and editing video. You have time freedom, you have as well financial freedom. So I have remember one thing that yesterday I have talked on people who is from Sri Lanka, who is still 16. So he's teenager, because of he is still 16. We have talked on Discord server, and he has 3 YouTube channel. Her monthly income is $3,000 just from AdSense, not affiliate, sponsor, merchandise. And he is still 16. His parents don't like that, so therefore even he hasn't bank account for getting money. He just use PayPal, other person PayPal, like um PayPal isn't available in Sri Lanka. He just use other countries PayPal account, and he got money. He usually withdraw her YouTube money from PayPal, and PayPal uh, like Philippine PayPal account, and he just sent money from PayPal to commercial bank, Philippine commercial bank. and he got her rupee, Sri Lankan rupee, and he made $3,000. It's huge amount. He is still 16, and he has 3 channel. One channel over 1 million subscriber. Second channel is 500k subscriber, and a lot of subscriber. Another channel 400 plus subscriber, 400k. So you need to start. He started when he was 11. Right now he is in 16. 4 years he got result because he had consistency. So if you notice my channel, I have consistency. I usually publish my video uh, twice a day. So if you notice my uh, 5 November video, I upload one video, 2 video a day. So, and each day I try to upload, but my phone is something hang out, therefore I cannot. So I'm just share with you. You just start earlier. I'm hoping you got something. You need to do something in future. I know, man. I know. I have experience about it. About that. Without work, you never living in this world. So you need to work and need to work. So try now. Try earlier. In future would be easy, but not seeking easy. Seeking uncomfort zone and learn from them. So see you later. Until that, happy hunting.